What are the best programs to choose for international students if you are a medical student in your home country? If you want to know what's the latest and greatest in Canada, stay tuned with us on the Canada Vibe. Check, this is me, Johnny Hans, and bringing you the best of content on education. That means if you are studying or if you're looking to study in Canada, what are the great options that you have? And let's talk about the medical students. That means students, those who have studied biology, either in their 12th standard or in their bachelor's. So what are the great options you have, and what is the future of those programs or those courses in Canada? And if this is the first time you're watching this YouTube channel or this particular video on this channel, please consider subscribing this YouTube channel and hit bell button just to make sure you don't miss any update from us. Let's talk about the first program first. The first program in this category is definitely dental hygiene. Dental is one of the most sought after program in Canada because the cost of taking dental services is really high. People have to think twice about their insurances if they're planning to take dental services. There are a lot of immigrants, a lot of people, those who are new to the country, they fly down to their home countries or somewhere else to take dental services because dental is really expensive. That means if you're going into this stream, there's a huge potential of earning really well. And if you're looking to do a diploma, then if you have a bachelor in dental science or if you have studied 12th standard biology, you are eligible to apply for dental hygiene. If you're studying this program in Quebec, it's an AEC program for 2 years and you're eligible for 3-year postgraduate work permit. If you're studying the same in Ontario, it's undergraduate or postgraduate program depending upon the qualification that you have. Definitely you need 6 each band to enter these programs in most of the colleges and universities. And in terms of earning, there's a huge potential whether you go on the government the hospitals or you start your own clinic or private clinic. In both ways you have good options. Now let's talk about the next option, that is pharmacy technician. Yes, pharmacy technician is one of the programs that you can take in government colleges, and the best part is that if it's 1800 hour or a DEP program, you're eligible for a 3-year postgraduate work permit. If you have IELTS score, that means if you have 5.5 in one module, you can still get admission in government colleges. And the best part is that there is no hassle in visa processing as well. If your English the overall score in your 12th grade or in your bachelor's is good enough, you are admissible to the program. And just not that, I'm sure you will not face any challenge with getting your study permit approved if you follow the right procedures. Now the cost of this program, if I talk about, it's around $12.5 thousand per year to $14,000 per year, depending upon the province you choose, depending upon the college that you choose. So according to that, it varies. Now it's a very tricky situation sometimes to choose the right college and university. I'm sure you must be confused. And if you are ever confused, do not hesitate. If you have a valid IELTS score, you can always contact our team by sending us an email, apply@checkcheckservices.com. Alternatively, there's a link in the description of a form. Just fill it up. Within 48 hours, our team's going to reach you. Now, let's talk about the next program, which is, if we talk about nursing program, one of the very well-reputed, industry, or one of the very well-reputed profession in Canada. There's a huge respect for this profession as well. That's nursing, because not only you'll be able to earn really well, but you'll be able to serve a lot of people, touch a lot of lives. And now there is a huge demand in nursing. If you have studied something related to nursing in your home country, then taking a diploma program over here or a degree can be a very good decision. Not only you will be able to get permanent residency on time, you can apply for the license and continue in the profession in whichever province you want to live or study with. In terms of cost, if we talk about, it's around $18,000 to $20,000 per year. Mostly it's a 2-year program, but it is always well worth it. It's an intensive program, so don't expect to study in 2 days. It would at least take at least 3 to 4 day classes per week in whichever college you study. So that is given in case of nursing. But mark my words, there's a huge potential to learn, earn, and serve if you're taking nursing program in Canada. And now let's talk about the fourth program, which is veterinary technician. Yes, I'm sure you if we talk about serving human beings is a different story, but there are pets that need equal care, and in Canada this is taken really seriously. There are insurance for the pets, there are proper clinics for the pets, and that is the reason why there's a huge scope as a veterinary technician as well, or becoming a professional in veterinary field. If you have done bachelor's in science, or if you have with the biology, or if you have done, for that matter, 10+2 with biology, you are eligible to apply for this program. And majorly you'll find this program in Ontario as undergraduate or postgraduate program. That really depends upon the choice that you make, and also the educational qualification that you have. In Quebec, if I talk about the cost of this program, is around $14,000 per year, and if you go for Seneca College, they have it around $15,500 per year is the actual cost of, or the tuition fee for 1 year if you're choosing this program. And there's a huge visa success rate as well. If we see this particular program, I'm sure you're gonna love it. If you need more information, then leave in the comment section. A lot of our team members, or a lot of our members on this YouTube community are actually active on this platform, and they can answer. And we will also try to curate our content or make more videos related to the requests or the questions or the queries or the suggestions that you have, to make sure that we provide you authentic information. And if this information is valuable, do not hesitate in smashing that like button, just to make sure that we bring better content consistently for you. And now let's move towards medical administrative assistant, one of the programs that you can easily get in government colleges. And as I said, even with 5.5 bands in one of the module, can still help you to get into the program, and can also help you to get the visa. So if you're interested in this program, mostly you will get it in government colleges. Again, the cost structure of this particular program in the medical field is around $13,000 per year if you're opting for medical administrative assistant. This is for those people those who have medical kind of background but don't want to study too much of medicine, too much of medical related stuff, but they can actually learn the surface level things and can join actually the pharmacies or clinics as the administrative staff, who has to handle more administrative stuff but should have a clear knowledge of the medical sector. So this can serve purpose, and especially if it's a DEP program and you're studying in Montreal, this is also qualified for PEQ list. So there you go, you have a really good option. And overall, those are the key programs right now that we wanted to discuss with you in the medical stream. What are your suggestions? What type of programs you want us to discuss about? Do let us know in the comment section, and we will try to make videos accordingly on that. And if this is the first time you're watching this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button, and make sure you don't miss any update from us. And if you want to watch our content in Hindi or Punjabi, we have other channel, that's Johnny Huns Canada. On that note, this is me, Johnny Huns, signing off for the day. You keep enjoying. Love you.